at Robinson's Magnolia. So I'm with Gian and we're here because I needed to pick up my Apple Magic Keyboard from Power Mac Center. I have it here with me. I actually ordered this online and then I just picked it up from their actual store. So ngayon kakain na kami and we're thinking of going to Yabu. So yeah, today is a Saturday and our face-to-face classes don't start until Monday. Yeah, we have this weekend.
Right now, everything's okay. No matter where you find yourself, no matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life, underneath it all, everything's actually alright. You're okay. You have more power than you might be giving yourself credit for. And if you have something that's going on in your life right now that's challenging, reminder to take a little bit better care of yourself. You're worth it. You can have this feeling anytime you choose.
So it's currently 6:35. So I just got home in the condo. I think this is the first clip na sa condo ako with my new study setup. So I'm gonna show that to you guys later on in the vlogs. But I just wanted to unbox yung pinick up ko kanina sa Power Mac Center. So I got the new Apple Magic Keyboard in color black. Actually, to be honest, when it comes to buying things using my own money, super pinag-iisipan ko talaga if I should really buy it. So I thought of buying this for a long time. Like, ang tagal ko siyang pinag-iisipan. And I finally got it. So I bought it directly from Power Mac Center. So the reason why I got this is because I realized that I needed this for clerkship since my face-to-face duty kami and you guys know we do a lot of reports in med school. And with this, I can make reports on my iPad kasi may keyboard na siya. Excited to unbox it and see how it looks like, ganyan. So, yeah, I just bought this from Power Mac Center. Actually, may isa pang laman yung box because dumaan ako sa Happy Skin and I bought this cooling lip and cheek tint. So, ayan, I bought this lang. This is in the shade Sunrise. Because as you guys know, I really love yung mga lip products ng Happy Skin. So, I decided to buy this one kasi ubos na yung favorite ko sa kanila, yung glossy tint in the shade Sunny. As in, yun yung favorite ko. So, I decided to try this one out. So, anyway, segue lang. So, ayun. I bought this directly from their website. And then, you can pick it up dun sa branch na malapit sa'yo. So, the branch nearest to me was the branch in Robinson's Magnolia. So, dun ako galing kanina. So, that's where I picked it up. And now, I'm gonna unbox this. Okay, so I've already unboxed the magic keyboard and inattach ko na rin yung iPad ko with the Apple Pencil here on top. So this is what it looks like. It's kind of heavy, to be honest. It's the iPad and then this is the keyboard itself. As you can see, the keys have backlight, so it's easy to type in the dark. And meron din siyang trackpad. So if you want to close it, ganyan lang. The only problem is, nakasabit lang yung Apple Pencil dito sa side. If ever you're gonna put this inside your bag, baka madamage. But yeah, the only downside is that it's heavy. Yung great thing about this is, meron siyang saksakan dito for charging. So you don't have to plug it here. So, bali parang dalawa na yung saksakan niya. Ayun na, I still have to get used to using this. Ayan, ganyan siya pag inopen and then you can adjust the angle like that. So, what it looks like, I'm really happy with this one. By the way, guys, I chose the black one because I thought that this color would fit more with my iPad, which is space gray. And I also have a gray case for it. So, yeah, I chose the black one because there's also a white one. And wala lang, black lang para sleek. Ayan, mukha siyang MacBook. Pag ganyan. So, face-to-face clerkship is gonna start on Monday already. So, today is a Saturday. Basically, this is just me preparing for that. And I'm really excited to share with you guys kasi mag-duty na kami, like actual duty sa hospital this week. So, I'll definitely be bringing this one and also you guys. I guess that's it for today's vlog. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!